Pandas count distinct equivalent. I am using Pandas as a database substitute as I have multiple databases, Oracle, SQL Server, etc., and I am unable to make a sequence of commands to a SQL equivalent. I have a table loaded in a data frame with some columns. In SQL, to count the amount of different clients per year would be, and the result would be. How can I do that in Pandas?
I believe this is what you want. Example.
Here is another method and it is much simpler. Let's say your data frame name is dot and the column name is year month.
Interestingly enough, very often len unique is a few times 3x 15x faster than unique.
I am also using unique, but it will be very helpful if you have to use an aggregate function like min, max, count or mean, etc.
Distinct a column along with aggregations on other columns. To get the distinct number of values for any column, Cleon code in your case, we can use unique. We can pass the input as a dictionary in add function, along with aggregations on other columns.